me, this is the beginning of the end. This is the end of everything happens negative in my life. And then this is the beginning. Positive things happen. So, I commit to build my group and same time, more leaders and same time, more people to help. And then, salamat Uno. Salamat 21 Laws of Leadership. Salamat Lord. Thank you Lord. Power. Grabe malupit. Power.
Power morning. Okay, thank you Sir Glenn. Thank you. Upline leaders. This is the beginning of the end. Beginning ang simula ng pagkuha ng mga pangarap ko, pagtatapos sa mga negative na iniisip ko. Okay, abangan natin 2013 sa Sabang ng Uno Marbel. Thank you Uno. Thank you for the Laws of Leadership. Thank you Lord. Grabe, power mo the best.
Power morning upline. I would like to thank for those uplines na nag-conduct this training kay upline Glenn and upline Ivan. I would like to thank to Mr. Upline Willis Chavez. Thank you for this training, 21 irrefutable laws of leadership. And this is the beginning of the end. Matatapos na lahat ng negative sa buhay ko at the same time, gusto ko ma-achieve lahat ng goals ko this coming 2013. Yun lang, power.
Power morning, Uno Marbel. Thank you, Glenn and Miss Ivan and Mr. William Chavez for letting me to enter this training even though baguhan pa lang ako. This is the beginning and the end. So this 2013, I commit to be more active in this kind of business. Salamat Uno. Thank you Lord.
Good morning Uno Marbel. Thank you Upline. Thank you Upline. This is the beginning of the end. This is the beginning of my life and lahat ng negatives ko sa tanggalin ko. Commit ko para sa 2013. Hindi ako payag na wala akong grupo. Salamat Uno, salamat sa 21 Laws of Leadership. Salamat kay Lord. And sa lahat na hindi naka-attend ng training ito, umattend kayo sigurado ako babago buwan.
Power malupit. Good morning sa lahat ng mga nanonood. Thank you Upline Glenn, Upline Wills. Thank you sa 21 Laws. December 21, 2011, sabi nga nila, end of the world, pero sa aming mga taga-uno, this is the beginning of the end. The beginning of new life and the end of all the negative vibes. Commit ko ng 2013, kukunin ko yung kotse ko, yung green car ko, mag-build ako ng grupo ko. At the same time, salamat Uno, salamat sa 21 Laws, and thank you Lord, grabe power malupit talaga Uno. Sa mga hindi pa nakaka-attend ng training na to, ni-invite ko kayo na mag-attend, kasi grabe talaga, it's all about you, it's all about yourself, kasi ikaw yung nagdadala ng success.
Good morning, Uno Marbel. Thank you sa Upline Glenn, Upline Ivan, Upline Willis. This is the beginning of the world of the end. Ito ang simula ng lahat. Napapamago ng buhay ko. Ng buhay nyo rin. Commitment ko sa 2013. I will. Salamat Uno, salamat 21 Laws of Leadership. Salamat Upline God. Power.
Lord, thank you. At the same time, thank you din, Upline Glenn, Upline Ivan, Upline Willis for conducting this kind of leadership training. At the same time, sabi nila ngayon daw yung katapusan ng mundo. Pero para sa amin, this is the beginning of the beginning na dito magsisimula na lalaki ang grupo namin. At the same time, dito na magtatapos yung mga negative na ginagawa namin dati. And then, I commit ngayong taon and ngayong this 2013, titingnan nyo ngayon na makikita ang bagong resulta ko. Yan. At the same time, thank you sa Uno. Thank you Lord. Thank you. Power!
Good morning! Thank you so much kay Sir Glenn, kay Upline William Chavez, and then kay Upline Ivan. This is the beginning of the end. Lahat na negative sa buhay ko, iniwan lang sa 2012. I commit for this coming 2013. Magiging isa na akong leader and then lalaki yung grupo ko, magkaka-check na ako. Salamat po Lord, salamat sa 21 Laws of Leadership. Salamat Lord!
Good morning, uplines! Okay, so first of all, I would like to thank our uplines, Upline Glenn, Upline Eunice, and Upline Ivan for conducting this training. Okay, so this is the beginning of the end. So this is the beginning of the new life, new dreams, and also the beginning of the positive vibes and the end of the negative vibes. So my commitment for this year, 2013, is I will make it. And then, thank you Uno, thank you Lord, thank you for the 21 irrefutable laws of leadership that
say thank you, Glenn. Apply Willis. Thank you. This is the beginning of the end. Simula ng bagong buhay at katapusan ng lupang buhay. Abangan nyo, makikilala nyo ako. Tatandaan nyo yan. This 2013, makikilala nyo ako. Maraming salamat Uno. Maraming salamat sa 21 laws of leadership. Maraming salamat. At the same time, Lord, maraming salamat. Titan, power!
Good morning, Uno Marvel! Good morning, mga kauna! Thank you, Upline Guys. Thank you, Upline Willis, dahil sa opportunity na binigay niyo sa amin. Thank you very much. And then, this is the beginning of the end. Sabi nga nila, for me, this is the new home, new life, new beginning. Humanda kayo, watch and learn. And I will commit this 2013. Humanda kayo. Tandaan nyo, I will create a name. And pasasabugin ko ang Uno Marvel. Thank you, Uno 20. At salamat!
September 21, 2012. End of the world, but for us, it is the beginning of our success, the beginning of our dreams to become true, and the end of everything na hindi, mga negative na hindi pa namin, mga maling nagawa namin before. I would like personally to thank my upline, my grand upline Willis Chavez, upline Glenn for making this training possible. Salamat sa Uno. Sa lahat ng hindi pa nakakadalo, mag-join na kayo kasi dito mo makukuha lahat sa mga pangarap mo. Tandaan mo, kung nakuha, upline Willis, kung nakuha nyo, walang dahilan na hindi rin namin makukuha ang tagumpay dito sa Uno. Maraming salamat and God bless us all. Merry Christmas!